Hare Krishna. This is your spiritual friend Sanatana Dharmadas. Well, moving ahead with the next most important things to do when you want to befriend your mind, make your mind your best friend, and thus control your mind is to make a very wise choice in selecting the list of things that I'm about to tell you. Well, the things that we talk, the words that come out of our mouth, they have a very deep impact on our minds. The more one gossips, does idle talk, frivolous talks, useless talks, arguments, and criticism of others, the more one performs these kind of talks, the more one loses the control on one's mind, because this has a great hit on our vital energy, and thus we tend to lose the mind out of our control. On the other hand, the more one speaks about gratitude, speaks about appreciating others, glorifying others, speaks about positive things, speaks about good things in life, speaks about talks which help others, these kind of talks help us to become more friendly with our mind. The second thing is about the quality of our hearing. It has been observed that those of them who have a prolonged exposure to very high decibel sound, loud music, and thus heavy metal stuff, rock music, too much of drummings, bass, etc. It has been observed that these form a very deep impact on our chakras, and even they are not very good for controlling our mind. On the other hand, the more we listen to very serene, calm, classical kind of music, that helps us to befriend our mind very easily. The movies that we watch, the more the violent and sexual content in the movie, this is not really good for our mind. It's always advisable to watch something which is very good and something which is educative, something like documentaries, which really help us to grow ourselves, which helps us to move closer to our goals. These kind of movies are advisable. And finally, the recreation that we choose. Recreations. Normally we find this generation, what do people do in this generation? Yes, they have both their pieces of earphones on their ears and they're playing something on the mobile phones. Come on, get out of the digital world. Stop this gaming online and go and play some sport outside. Yes, go more towards nature. The closer you go towards nature, the easier it becomes to control the mind. The more we are bogged up, consumed and absorbed in digitalized things, playing games on mobile, playing games on laptops, the difficult it becomes for all of us to control our minds. Because we get so used to and addicted to the button technology. We press one button and we want to control things. It doesn't work. It may work in the digital world, but it does not work in the real world. And thus, having such kind of unhealthy recreation, yes, this is not really good for controlling the mind. But well, you want to go out and play something outside, do some yoga, do some swimming. Yes, such kind of sporting is very healthy for the body, and this helps us to control the mind. Hare Krishna. Thank you all very much.